Hi, my name is Teresa Bruni and I am the healer at Less Fear, More Flow. Today we're going to talk all about energy healing near me, right after this short video intro. So I'll be right back. In just a moment, I'm going to show you something that you can get immediate benefit from, so make sure you stick around for that. Now let's talk about energy healing near me. It's important to keep in mind that energy healers are not necessarily hands-on healers, meaning they don't have to touch you. Some are, but most are not. That being said, the first thing is to decide what type of energy healer you're looking for. If you're doing a search for energy healers near me and they are not hands-on healers, keep in mind that they don't need to be near you. Most energy healers work remotely, and the distance doesn't matter. It's still highly effective. It's important for us to remember that the greatest mind there ever was, Albert Einstein, taught us about energy. He said that energy is neither created nor destroyed, only changed. And it's not necessary to be present to change someone's energy. So when you're doing a search for energy healers near me, just remember that you are limiting the number of qualified healers you will have to choose from. The best healer may not be near you. And as with choosing any other type of healthcare professional or alternative practitioner, it's absolutely essential that you check their references and their qualifications. Try to get a feel for them as best you can. You might do this by asking for a phone or an in-person consultation. I always give face-to-face consultations to my prospective clients. I think it's important for both of us. And always, always, always go with your gut. Your inner knowing will never lie to you. If you don't trust the practitioner that you're working with, chances are the results that you're looking for are pretty much going to be zero. So remember, when you're doing a search for energy healers near me, it's not necessarily important that they be near you. I wish you much success on your healing journey. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this video and what you'd like to see in the future. Leave me any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, now for the promise I made in the beginning, I have a free 38-page e-course just for you. It's entitled Decoding the Messages from Your Body, Healing Your Body by Understanding How It Works. Simply go to teresabruni.com/decode to download your free course. This simple e-course will help you understand your body and the messages it's sending. After completing the course, you'll have a greater appreciation for your body and how it's working. Your physical symptoms will begin to release, and you'll be one step closer to greater health. Again, go to teresabruni.com/decode. That's TeresaBruni.com/decode. Enter your email address and begin your course today.